Welcome back to Car Tech. Today, we have the all-new 2025 BMW X3, a luxury SUV that blends performance, technology, and style like never before. This latest model comes with a refreshed design, upgraded features, and an impressive driving experience. Let's dive into the details. The 2025 BMW X3 boasts a bold and modern look with its aggressive front fascia, larger kidney grille, and sleek adaptive LED headlights. The blacked-out elements give it a VIP aesthetic, making it look sportier and more premium. The aerodynamic lines flow smoothly across the body, and the sculpted hood adds to its muscular stance. At the rear, slim LED taillights and a sporty bumper with dual exhausts complete the dynamic styling. Stepping inside, the interior of the X3 is nothing short of luxurious. High-quality materials like premium leather upholstery, soft touch surfaces, and brushed aluminum trims elevate the cabin's feel. The large curved display merges the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system, providing a futuristic driving experience. The center console is sleek with minimalistic controls, and the ambient lighting adds to the upscale vibe. With wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a high-end sound system, technology is at your fingertips. Comfort in the new X3 is top tier. The spacious cabin offers excellent headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. The seats are ergonomically designed with enhanced lumbar support and multiple adjustment options, ensuring long drives remain fatigue-free. The panoramic sunroof allows natural light to flood the cabin, creating an airy feel. Noise insulation has been improved, making the ride exceptionally quiet and serene, even at high speeds. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW X3 is powered by a range of engine options, including a turbocharged inline-4 and an available 6-cylinder M40i variant, delivering impressive power and efficiency. The xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction and handling, making it a joy to drive in all conditions. The suspension setup provides a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness, while the precise steering enhances the driving experience. Whether cruising on highways or tackling sharp corners, the X3 remains composed and confident. The 2025 BMW X3 continues to raise the bar in the luxury SUV segment. With its stunning design, high-tech interior, comfortable ride, and thrilling performance, it's a vehicle that appeals to both enthusiasts and families alike. If you're looking for a premium SUV that excels in every aspect, the X3 is a top contender. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Tech for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next video.